Dear Centennial students, hope you are staying at home and staying safe. My name is Saksham Singh, your computer teacher. Let's start with the chapter number 4, Introduction to Tux Paint. So, what is Tux Paint? Tux Paint is a drawing software. It is helpful, which is specially designed for the children to explore their creative skill. Its variety of ready-made tools help children to make wonderful drawing. It is a free software and have many things you will learn about that. So, first of all, how to open Tux Paint. So there are a number of ways to open Tux Paint. First of all, click on the start button and the dialog box appear and you will search where is the Tux Paint box will, and click on this Tux Paint button. Your Tux Paint is open. Another, type here Tux Paint and you will see the search results of the Tux Paint, and click on this Tux Paint and your Tux Paint will open. Okay, like this. Select Tux Paint windowed and follow this. A welcome screen appears, Tux Paint. Okay. Now after the welcome screen, you will see the opening screen of Tux Paint like this. As you see, this is the toolbar box. All this is the toolbar box. This is color palette. Color palette means you will choose any of the color of your choice, and this is the brush selector. This is the selector. Okay, selector means your just like you choose a pencil over here, and after that you will have to like this, thick stroke, thin stroke, it's your choice, you will choose from there. Next one is, this is your drawing area. This is your drawing area, and this is for help. If you want any help from the Tux Paint, there is an option for help. Now next one is drawing tools. So there are a number of drawing tools over here. First one is paint. The paint tool lets you draw stars, arrows, and also freehand done by hand without the help of any device. Okay, click on the paint tool, choose any color of your color palette, select a particular size of the brush from the selector and move brush freely like this. Yeah, like this you make a flower. Okay, this is the use of paint tool. Now eraser. If you do something wrong, just when you writing anything in your copy with the help of pencil, you will do anything wrong. So with the help of eraser you will rub it. In the same way, eraser tool is used in Tux Paint. Now another one is lines. Lines means just these are the straight lines. Just one straight line, second straight line, and third straight line. You will create a triangle or anything square, any of your choice of your selector. These lines are absolutely straight, not anyone like title over there. Okay. Next one is text. If you want to enter any text in your drawing area, use the text tool. With the help of text tool, you can write anything on the screen. Now next, other controls like undo and redo buttons. Undo and redo buttons are very helpful. Like when you make a drawing, just like this, I will make this. First of all, I will round circle, then two straight lines, and then triangles. If I want undo, just I will click on this undo button. You will see one line is erasing, or if I choose redo button, you will see forward, just this way. All of you understand that? Undo and redo button. This is very helpful. When you do something wrong, you will click on the undo button, and if you think I will done right, you will click on the redo button. Now next one is how to open. Open tool is used to load a picture that has been saved earlier. For example, there is a picture over there you have saved in your desktop. Okay, and you want some editing on this picture, so click on the open button and you will take your picture on the drawing area. You will have editing over there. Now click on the save button. This tool is helpful to save the file. Print tool is helpful to print the whole document of your Okay, quit means if you want to close the tux paint window. Okay, all of you understand it? I will give you the PDF solutions of this chapter. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.